Today we are going to start with the first chapter in geography, Indian position and extension. In this topic, we are going to study about the location of India in Asia and the world, that is, the exact location of our country. Extent and frontiers of India. Extent is nothing but the latitudinal and longitudinal extent, and frontiers is nothing but the borders of our country. Then we are going to study about the neighboring countries of India. To begin with, location. Students, you can see in the picture a circle highlighting India, and there are two lines. One is vertical line and one is the horizontal line. The horizontal line is nothing but the equator line. Above the equator, we have the northern hemisphere, and below the equator, we have the southern hemisphere. So, India lies in the northern hemisphere. The vertical line is nothing but the prime meridian line. Towards the right of the prime meridian line, we have the eastern hemisphere, and towards the west or towards the left side, we have the western hemisphere. So, India lies in the eastern hemisphere. India is a peninsula country, and it lies in the southeastern part of Asia. Now, what is peninsula? Peninsula is nothing but a land surrounded by water on three sides. Now, when you talk about the exact location of our country or its latitudinal and longitudinal extent, it is like this. When you talk about latitudinal extent, it starts from 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north, and 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Now, students, in the picture you can see there are four lines, two black color lines and two red color lines. The black lines are the latitudes and the red color lines are the longitudes. Towards the Sri Lanka, we have a black color line and its position is 8 degree 4 minutes north. And towards Kashmir, we have another black line whose location is 37 degree 6 minutes north. Towards Gujarat, we have a red color line. Its location is 68 degree 7 minutes east. And towards Assam, we have another line which has a location of 97 degree 25 minutes east. So this is latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands extend further southward and add to Indian latitudinal extent. This means if you talk about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are in the south of our country, towards the south of our country, right? And because of which the latitudinal extent increases. Indira Point, the southernmost point, is located in the Nicobar Island at 6 degree 45 minutes north latitude. Now you can see, students, an arrow highlighting this particular point. Students, you need to remember that this question is often asked for 2 marks. Then we have the northern tip, which is called as the Indira Col, which is in Jammu and Kashmir. Students, you can see in the picture an arrow pointing this particular location. Then comes the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degree north and passes through middle of the country. Now this line approximately divides India into two equal halves. Then we have the 82.5 degree east longitude, which is the central meridian of our country. From this line, the Indian Standard Time is taken. This is selected in such a way that it also divides India into two equal halves. India is the seventh largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, China, the USA, Brazil, and Australia. It has a total area of 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. It accounts for only 2.42% of the world's total area.